Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. Let's talk into some Solana. Okay, let's get this video going in the right direction. If you guys all hold Solana, drop that SOL down below in the chat. All right, but let's talk about it because we're seeing a little bit of a retracement going on in the charts. It's been a rough and volatile road for Solana, but I'm not worried, okay? I'm not worried. I told you guys in a previous video, I just bought Solana, and looking into kind of what we're seeing as Solana is emerging as one of the clear front runners for this next bull cycle, it's going to be a very exciting ride. So make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well because you're going to want to stay up to date with what I got to say every single day, covering all your favorite cryptos here on X. Handles in the bottom left of your screen. But let's get down into it, guys. Take a quick look into the trading view, and obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research and due diligence with everything crypto and financial. But we got that momentum up flashing, okay? And that's kind of what I use to navigate my crypto trades. This is my trading indicator, xtalgo.com. Check it out down below in the description. I'm not going to waste time giving you guys a sales pitch because I'd rather be talking about crypto because simply it just works. All right, I use it in every one of my trades. 20% off promo code NYFC down below in the box, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee. Check it out and enjoy. All right, but here's where we're seeing a little momentum up flash at this $85, $86 level. And roughly what we're looking at here, guys, is a little bit of retracement. We got as low as $78 where we got that possible retracement flash. Got it all the way down on these red candles, but now we're starting to see some momentum up. So that indicator usually is pretty much spot on, guys. It's not a crystal ball, but like I said, it simply works. So would it surprise me if we got back up to $98? Not at all in the lightest. But the issue I'm having is I entered a trade actually trying to create a window here within a trade. I like to swing trade Solana a little bit because of its volatility. And as you can see, guys, over this last week, there are a lot of gains to be had if you can absolutely hone in on your swing trades here with this volatility. But now with this momentum up flashing, I really hope we get back to that $95, $96. I think I have a couple positions in the sub 90 levels, but more so looking at where we're at from a support line, guys. This is where I see it, 91.43. We got to get above that. That's where I'm looking for to get back and bolster some support lines. But it's not so much going with Solana. Okay, we all know how strong Solana has been 2023, outperforming a lot of the crypto market, if not everyone, right? And it's something where they're doing their own thing when they're trading and they're being basically in their own patterns. It's fun, but it's not fun because then we look at something that happens with this sell the news event, the Bitcoin spot ETF, and then now Bitcoin's dumping under 40K. That's never going to be good for Solana, okay? And it's not a testament or anything to go against what Solana's bringing to the table or what they have to offer. If you believe in Solana, believe in Solana. It's just unfortunate we have to pay for it with the blood of Bitcoin, especially when we have these sell the news events that have nothing to do with Solana, okay? And that's where it stands. That's why I'm not worried about my holdings. I've held Solana since 2020, 21. I can't remember exactly, but you know, it's something where it's not for the light of heart. It's something very volatile. It's one of the most volatile roller coaster cryptos I've ever been a part of. But this is where we're looking into the verge of Solana having another breakout. And that's kind of what I wanted to segue into as we talk about how this little bit of a vantage point for investors within the Solana ETH chart, you can really get into some local resistance and support lines to understand exactly how Solana performs against Ethereum, which, you know, being dubbed the Solana killer, or one of them for that matter, is something where that's very important to understand because that is their number one competitor, okay? And we're still seeing Solana basically, as it currently is on in the total market cap, in that 4 or 5 spot jockeying for position with Binance, BNB. And what we're seeing is how the appeal for Solana is showing a potential for breakout against Ethereum, okay? We're seeing a lot of momentum, guys. If you guys follow Solana meme coins, a lot of their stuff that they're doing from a DeFi level, that is something within their Solana-based applications as well. They have a little bit of a rise in sentiment in comparison to Ethereum. You know, faster transactions we're seeing than ever. And the fees are lower. That's what the big thing is, guys. Everybody's looking to be bullish on Ethereum, but right now there's a lot of things working against them, and it seems like every week somebody's making a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x and beyond on a Solana meme coin. Yes, there's a lot of swings and misses, but it's a very opportunistic blockchain, okay? And that's where we're looking into some of the levels that within Solana we're looking at supports And like I said, guys, those very critical lines, you know, that $90 and above for me. Some people are calling it 88, 89, but that's where we have a lot of buyers of Solana at those levels, and really trying to bust through above, like I said, guys, those lower 90s where I entered a little bit of positions, hoping that we could break through and get above 95, 96, back to 102. That's kind of where we were really hoping to settle in at when we had, I think when I was opening this trade, that was where I was looking to enter into as a margin point where I wanted to exit around that 102 level, okay? But Solana, guys, you're going to be able to buy Solana today, tomorrow, the day after, a week from now, a month from now. It's not going anywhere. It's too big to fail, in my personal opinion. But you have to understand, do not celebrate the wins and do not celebrate the losses, because tomorrow is going to be a different day, and nobody has that coveted crystal ball, or else I'd be playing the lottery and not making YouTube videos. But that's kind of what it comes down to. It's a hugely volatile crypto. You could be down 20 and up 20 the next day. It's something where I've done it. I've seen it happen. And it's not only just something where I look into a very positive direction for the future, but it's definitely on my short list of blockchains that are really going to hit their stride and be here for the long run, guys. So all good things happening in crypto 2024. Very exciting year. Stay locked. We're going to have videos and content daily covering everything within the crypto sphere for you guys every single day. Make sure you guys all subscribe on your way out. Give me a follow on X as well. Never miss a beat on that platform. But like I said, check out xtalgo.com. I'll put a link down below in the description with a promo code, and we will see you all in the next video. Cheers.